everyone, I'm Pallavi Iyengar. Let's make a fusion dish of Cheese Rajma Masala Burrito. So come, let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to do is grate cheddar cheese. You can grate as much as you like because we're going to make a cheesy Rajma Burrito. So this should be good. Switch the gas on. I've taken a pan which also has a lid. I'll tell you why. And now what we're going to do is we're going to place one of the tortillas on this and we're just going to lightly heat it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to keep the gas on really low, flip it, and we're going to sprinkle lots of grated cheddar cheese. And to this, I'm going to add some chaat masala. The cheddar cheese is lightly salted, so you can add the chaat masala as per taste. And we're going to sprinkle some red chilli powder. This is Kashmiri red chilli powder. Like I told you that we need a cover, that is because we'll cover this and cook it till the cheese melts. Remember that the gas has to be on low. The cheese has melted. Wow! All we have to do now is gently lift this up and place it on a chopping board. And now we start adding the stuffing. And we got some Rajma masala here. This is plain boiled basmati. So burrito is like a meal on its own. And now to this, I'm just going to sprinkle some salt, just a little bit of salt. And now we add the lettuce. I'm using iceberg lettuce. You can also use cabbage, and I'm using some purple cabbage as well. We'll add some onion slices. And we'll sprinkle a little bit of the chaat masala for flavoring and a pinch of red chilli powder. And I have some sour cream in a piping bag which we'll drizzle on top. Sour cream is a must in a burrito. Looking good. So we fold from the sides, turn the burrito over, press the stuffing in and gently wrap it. And we place the burrito on. Always the folded side first so that it sticks and doesn't open when you flip the burrito. And gently flip. You can see a nice golden brown crust. This is like a great recipe when you have some leftover rajma, or sometimes even if you're making, let's say, dal makhni, you can also use that. Just make sure that you thicken the dal makhni slightly. So this is done. So there you have it, Cheese Rajma Masala Burrito is now ready. Do try out this recipe for your friends and family because it's simply outstanding.